All right. So now we're taking our little homey home to the next destination. I'm gonna show you where that is. And yes, I'm driving the Jeep there, which means it's pretty close. So let's go.
It's amazing the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist, but you have got me on your hit list, and you're conspiring, girl, you are sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience. Now I'm unresponsive. Oh, but call your mama, tell her you love her. This might be it for you. Run through the fire.
Hey guys, so our final destination. Wow, my face is pretty red right now. I have been in the sun a little bit today. Our final destination is Hurricane, Utah right now. We are actually staying with Val from Jen Wright. She has a beautiful big 10-acre lot, and she said that we could park our stuff up on her land and stay here. So that is exactly what we're doing. We're using the Krawler hauler. We're actually going to be living in it like we thought we would. We've used it a lot for events and races that we've gone to before, but now we are going to be using it like it should be used. So with everything going on right now, we thought that it would be a good idea to kind of have this as our base. We are going to have to hop back over to California, to Southern California, to grab the rest of our stuff. We have like our clothes and all sorts back there, so we will hop on back over there, probably a day trip, grab all of our stuff and come back here. Now after that, I don't know if we are gonna stay here or if we are going to check this out. Hold on.
Stop it.
You can't eat that, girlfriend. What are you doing? Come here. So I don't know if we are going to stay here or whether we're going to head out east. Hold on. Monet, hey, you can't eat the truck. Uh-huh. Buddy, don't you jump on that bandwagon. Come on, you. Get your booty away from here. That big booty. So let's try this again. I don't know if we are gonna be here for a long time. We might head back over east to Pennsylvania, where Walter's family are. They live in a pretty remote place, so we might do that, or we may just stay here. I don't know. But we are here. It is beautiful. And let's take a look at where the Krawler hauler is. And I'm just so excited to be here. It's so beautiful. Let's take a look around the property. You're okay, you're good. You're just beautiful.
Did you introduce yourself?
Say,
This is Buddy.
hey, I'm Buddy.
It's your new neighbor, huh, Buddy?
Do you want to come have a sleepover? Because you were almost in there.
Yeah, you were trying.
You were
really
trying.
hard.
You were nibbling on that door handle and everything. That's why it's closed. It was open. Oh, you're so cute. So beautiful. So you can see we even have electricity hookup, which is pretty phenomenal. Here we have the extension cord going into the Krawler hauler, just enough for what we need it for. And here I started emptying inside, so we have the RC cars and woman wheelers stuff, but this will be staying in the back of the truck, and obviously the Jeep is right here. There's also an outdoor kitchen that we're going to be using just in a second to cook dinner. We have some nice steak and asparagus, some potatoes, and this is such a calming place. Very lucky to have such great friends in the community, and really looking forward, especially to the next couple of days, just taking some downtime, maybe going out wheeling, and just enjoying the fresh air. Look at this. So beautiful. Again, Walter and I's favorite place in the whole entire world. So we're extremely happy and excited to be here. Let's go cook some dinner. I'm hungry. Okay, we are heading over to our neighbors. Val, us, Val. So we're heading over here to start cooking some dinner.
Okay. Okay.
Smile.
Cleaning off the walkabout because it hasn't been used all spring.
It's nice to me.
And the last thing we did was fajitas. So it's got stuff everywhere. This stuff's freaking awesome.
Garlic infused oil.
Yep, right there.
Wow.
Dude, wood has got to dry out so good in this environment.
Are you excited?
Sorry.
So here we have dinner. We have the potatoes, we have the steaks, and we have the asparagus. I'm gonna leave you guys right now because I have to eat this. Yum. Hey guys, so we just got back into the Krawler hauler after a fantastic night with friends and some chitter chatter around the campfire about the off-road world and the lifestyle. And we had some great food. It was pretty delicious actually. But it is time to end the day. So if you are liking this channel, please remember to like and subscribe. And I know a couple of you have had a little issues with that notification bell. If you unsubscribe and subscribe again, everything should work a-okay. It's a little pain in the butt, but that's just how it works at the moment. And for those of you who are subscribed and watching every single day, thank you so much for your support. But right now, I gotta hop into bed and get some Zeds. So until tomorrow, guys, I will see you later.